Today we're going to complete this glider made for us by a friend with fabric. First, spread the glider arms over a large sheet of paper and trace them. Then mark the width of your fans. Connect all the arms with a curve. Do this for both the top and bottom of the fan. Cut them out. Pin your pattern to your fabric folded in half. Use a fabric pencil to trace on the pattern and cut your fabric out. Leave ½ inch at the top to sew the sides. Now sew the sides of the fan. Trace out several strips of attach and build the width of your glider arms and cut those out. Peel and stick your attach and build to the arms. Then carefully stick the fabric to the glider arms. Do this for both the top and bottom fans. And we're done with our glider and on our way to being air bending masters.